Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to guide beginners through the process of buying Bitcoin on the HTX exchange, a user-friendly platform perfect for those new to cryptocurrency trading. Bitcoin, the pioneering digital currency, has gained immense popularity and value over the years, making it an attractive investment opportunity for individuals worldwide. Purchasing Bitcoin on exchanges like HTX is a convenient way to enter the cryptocurrency market. In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know to confidently buy Bitcoin on the HTX exchange. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to kickstart your journey into the world of cryptocurrency trading. Let's get started. Begin by visiting the HTX exchange website. The link is also shared in the description below, and click on the sign up button in the top right to create a new account. Fill out the registration form with accurate personal details, including your full name, email address, and a secure password. After completing the registration form, verify your email address by clicking on the verification link sent to your inbox and entering the code. Once verified, log into your newly created HTX account using your credentials. Before you can start trading on HTX, you'll need to complete the Know Your Customer verification process. Navigate to the Profile or Settings section of your HTX account. Follow the instructions provided to upload the required identification documents, such as a government-issued ID or passport. If you are an institution, select Institutional Verification to verify your account as an enterprise. HTX will review your documents to verify your identity and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. After completing KYC identity verification, you can be granted even more privileges by verifying your account even further to give you the ability to trade even more Bitcoin every day. To buy Bitcoin on HTX, you'll need to deposit funds into your account. Navigate to the Fiat Deposit section, and here you'll be able to deposit various fiat currencies, including euros, Russian rubles, and many more different fiat currencies. HTX supports various deposit methods, including bank transfer and ADV cash balances. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the deposit process and transfer funds from your bank account or wallet to your HTX account. Depending on the deposit method chosen, the funds may take some time to reflect in your HTX account. If you have pre-existing cryptocurrency that you want to use on the exchange, you can deposit it directly onto HTX and use that as your source of funding. Once again, follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the cryptocurrency deposit process to your HTX account. With funds successfully deposited into your HTX account, you're ready to purchase Bitcoin. Navigate to the Trade or Market section of the HTX platform and select Spot Trading. And from here, select the appropriate trading pair such as BTC USD or BTC EUR. Choose the type of order you wish to place, such as a market order or a limit order, and enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Review the order details, including the current market price and any applicable fees, before confirming your purchase. Once your buy order is executed, the purchased Bitcoin will be credited to your HTX account balance. Another way that you can purchase Bitcoin is by going to the Quick Trade section of HTX. And from here, you can use a third-party payment provider, such as Simplex, to purchase more cryptocurrency directly into your account. Simplex will simply charge your debit card or credit card, and your newly added funds will be instantly credited into your HTX balance. HTX also has a peer-to-peer platform in which you can trade between other members of HTX and buy and sell different cryptocurrencies using various payment methods. Some of the payment methods include Alipay, WeChat Pay, Wise, bank transfer, and many more options. And lastly, we recommend that you enable two-factor authentication to protect the security of your investment for now and in the long term as well. You can choose to enable various two-factor authentication types, including email, phone, Google Authenticator, or even some third-party account authorization apps such as Apple, Google, or Telegram. This is useful, and it keeps your account secure in the event of any hacks or data breaches that may occur as a result of using your account as an investment platform. You'll want to do this to ensure the safekeeping of your funds. And as always, we recommend moving your cryptocurrency over to a cold storage or hardware wallet to ensure the future safekeeping of your cryptocurrencies. Congratulations on successfully purchasing Bitcoin on the HTX exchange. You've taken a significant step towards building your cryptocurrency portfolio and exploring the potential of digital assets. As you continue your journey into the world of cryptocurrency trading, remember to stay informed, exercise caution, and practice responsible trading habits. Be sure to explore the various features and tools offered by HTX to enhance your trading experience and maximize your investment opportunities. Thank you for watching this comprehensive guide. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more cryptocurrency tutorials, tips, and market updates. Happy trading.